Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI together with FluentBoard to manage your project, and more importantly, how to automatically add tasks into FluentBoard using Claude AI. So let me walk you through the typical workflow. First, I have a couple of meetings with my client, and I record those meetings using Zoom, and then I take the transcript and the meeting notes, and then feed them into AI tools like Claude. All right. So from there, I ask AI to generate a proposal, including the scope of work, timeline, and other key details. And once I review that, then I ask AI to create structured to-do list with task descriptions. This part is very straightforward, but today's video, I want to focus on the next steps. So I'll show you how to take those AI-generated tasks and automatically add them into FluentBoard using AI tools and then using incoming webhook. All right, so let's get started. Now let me show you how this works. All right, so basically I just copy and paste my proposal and the scope of work and ask Claude AI to generate a to-do list. And here are the to-do list, right? Now, you don't have to copy and paste those tasks onto FluentBoard. It does it for you automatically. So this is the result on the left-hand side here. All right, so let's show you how I did it. So let's open up Claude AI, and then this is kind of the part of process I've done it. So I already had a meeting with my client, those two meetings, and then these are text file I downloaded from Zoom platform. That these are meeting transcript, and you can kind of export and download text file. And then basically I told AI to, hey, here are the two meetings. And based on those two meetings transcript, can you generate a proposal and then my work scope, all right? And then here's on the right-hand side. So they actually created a great document like that. I went through it. I have to review and I have to edit, but pretty accurate. So in this demo, so let's assume this is a good proposal. So then let's move on to next prompt. So here's the prompt here. So based on the proposal and the scope of work above, please generate a complete to-do list for this project. Each item should have, first, a short actionable title starting with a verb, and the second, 1 to 2 sentences description explaining what needs to be done and any key considerations. And this list will be added directly to our project management board, FluentBoard. Okay, so let's send this away. Well, that's pretty good. Approved project, yes, and provide DLO. So this is DLO is diversity leadership means. So this is just the project name. All right, actually they separate the phases. I'm not sure if Fluent Form can group like that. I don't think so. But let's see. Okay. Actually, pretty good though. Those are actually really did 28 tasks across 6 phases and color coded. Let's try that. I like it, but I don't know if they can do those phases and group like that with the Fluent CRM. Now let's go to FluentBoard. Now let's add a new board. So this has to be done manually for this demo. So I'm going to just add, Volunteer Ottawa Diversity Leadership board portal. So this is the new project, and hit save. All right. So I like to use to do instead of open, and then here's a in progress and then complete. Now next go to settings and then incoming hooks right here. okay, and add a new webhook here. So I'm going to just put AI tasks import. Okay, so whatever the name is, and then the new board is this one. So your diversity leadership board portal. Okay, and then default stage is to-dos. Okay, and hit create. And let's go back to Claude AI and use this prompt. Please add all tasks from the to-do list to my FluentBoard project board using this incoming webhook. So this is the URL which we generated here before, right? So you just copy and then paste onto that. So this URL is going to be very unique. So just don't paste mine, doesn't work. And I use a Claude in Chrome extension to run this from my browser. Okay, so send each task form encoded post request. So you need this. So we did just, I did lots of try and error. So you can just copy this prompt. So this Chrome extension, let me just show it to you. Go to setting. And then here's extension, and here here's Chrome, control Chrome, and then so this here configure. So make sure this is enabled. All right. So let's try this. So now let's open up my browser here. So I'm using Chrome. So I'm gonna just put it in the side by side like that. So it looks like it's working here. So it's a Claude MCP. So it says I can see your FluentBoard tab is already open. Okay. And then it says I will now send all 28 tasks via post request using JavaScript directly in your browser tab. So it looks like I think this is the one, still like 0 tasks here. So it looks like the requests are running. So let me wait a moment and then check the result. So still in progress. 12 of 28 sent so far. So all returning 200. So that's good. All right, so 28 tasks have been successfully sent to FluentBoard webhook. So every single one returned to 200 with 0 failure. So give your board a refresh and they should be all there. So let's refresh this page. So look at that. So it's a 28. So let's take a look here. All right, so the magic happens. All right, so all 28 tasks were imported just like that using a simple AI prompt. I was almost completely hands-off, and the whole process took about 3 minutes. This is really exciting, and especially for small teams, freelancers, and web developers like us. And honestly, I think this kind of workflow can change the way we work moving forward. I hope you are as excited as I am. And I'm still new to using Claude AI, but if I discover more useful tip like this, I'll definitely share them in the future videos. And if you have any tips or ideas, feel free to leave a comment below, and I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.